Meaning of genital.
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 Genital. The term genital refers to the reproductive organs of both males and females. These organs include the testes, penis, ovaries, uterus, and vagina. The primary function of these organs is to produce and transport gametes, sperm and eggs, for sexual reproduction. The term genital can also be used to describe behaviors, feelings, or attitudes related to sexuality and reproduction. Understanding the importance and functions of genitalia is crucial in maintaining sexual and reproductive health. Regular checkups and safe sex practices are recommended to prevent sexually transmitted infections and unwanted pregnancies.